Hello students, welcome to our channel. Myself Krishnamurthy. Last class we were discussing about chemical equilibrium and also ionic equilibrium. So we discussed around 75 questions. So let's continue with that one. So question number 75, we got the answer, that is 11, right? So the next question, calculate the pOH of the solution at 25 degrees Celsius that contains 10 to the power minus 10 molar of hydronium ions, that is H3O plus. So we know that one. So in this case, right, uh, they have given H3O plus ion concentration, that is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 10. We know that at 25 degrees Celsius, H3O plus into OH minus ion concentration is equal to 10 to the power of minus 14. This is called ionic product of water, right? So they are giving that, right? H2O plus ion concentration, so that OH minus ion concentration is equal to 10 to the power of minus 14 divided by 10 to the power of minus 10. So that's going to become 10 to the power of minus 4, correct? So now let us apply negative logarithm of OH minus ion concentration, that is equal to, right, negative log of, right, so that is 10 to the power minus 4 is there. Let's go for that. So 10 to the power minus 4, correct? Now that's going to become negative log of this one is going to be called as what? pOH, that is going to be equal to 4 into log 10, minus into minus plus, therefore that is equal to pOH concentration is equal to 4. So the answer is going to be what? Option A, pOH is equal to 4, right? So option A. Okay, now, right? So I think you have got the idea how to do this one. Ionic product of water, we already have this equation or the relationship. Okay, right. The pH value of a 10 molar solution of HCl is 10 molar solution of HCl ದು pH ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು pH ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರಲ್ವಾ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಯಾ, ಮೊಲಾರಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 10 molar ಅಂತ. ಮೊಲಾರಿಟಿ, that means molarity is equal to 10 molar. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ HCl ಅನ್ನೋದೇನಂತೆ, it is going to be a strong acid. It completely dissociates to form H plus ion. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು 10 molar HCl ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, that is completely ionizing to give H plus ion concentration plus Cl minus ions. So that is also going to be 10 molar. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋಣಂತೆ. So we came to know that one H plus ion concentration is equal to HCl concentration, that is nothing but 10. ಓಕೆನಾ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? pH is equal to, ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು pH, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ H plus ion concentration. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ that is going to be equal to minus log of 10. Log 10 is 1, that is equal to minus 1. ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? So it is less than 0. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಯಾ, ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, what is the H plus ion concentration of a solution prepared by dissolving 4 gram of NaOH in 100 ml? ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. What is the H plus ion concentration ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Of a solution prepared by dissolving 4 gram of NaOH, atomic number ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 23 in 1000 ml. 1000 ml ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೋಲ್ಸ್ of NaOH is equal to mass by molar mass 4 gram divided by 40 gram, that is equal to 0.1. Correct? ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ number of moles of OH minus ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿರಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ 0.1. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ concentration is equal to number of moles 0.1 divided by 1 liter, that is equal to 0.1 mole per liter ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. We know that H plus concentration into OH minus ion concentration is equal to 10 to the power of minus 14. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ H plus concentration ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು 10 to the power minus 1 ಅಂತ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, OH minus that is equal to 10 to the power minus 13. ಯಾಕೆ? Because OH minus ion concentration is equal to 10 to the power of minus 1. Right? So the answer would be, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? What is the H plus ion concentration ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So the answer is D. Okay, right. Calculate the pOH of a solution at 25 degree Celsius that contain 1 into 10 to the power minus 10 molar hydronium ions. Already ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So the answer is going to be what? A. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? Right. Next, the pH of 0.05 molar solution of sulfuric acid is approximately ಎಷ್ಟಿರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ. Okay, ನೋಡೋಣಂತೆ. Sulfuric acid H2SO4 ionizes to giving rise to what? 2H plus SO4 minus 2. Concentration ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Given concentration of H2SO4 is equal to 0.005 molar. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ H plus ion concentration must be equal to what? 0.005 into 2. Okay, 2H plus ions ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. That's equal to 0.01. That's nothing but 10 to the power of minus 2 molar. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ pH ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? That is equal to minus log of H plus ion concentration. That is nothing but minus log of 10 to the power minus 2. So ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕಂತ ಆನ್ಸರು? 2. pH of 0.005 molar solution of sulfuric acid is approximately 2 ಇರುತ್ತಂತೆ. Okay, so option C. Next question. Which of the solution which has pH equal to 10 ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ? KOH ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, HCl ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, KOH and HCl. Different concentration they have given. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ pOH is equal to negative logarithm of OH minus ion concentration. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು pH plus pOH is equal to 14 ಅಂತ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ for 10 to the power of minus 4 molar KOH solution, OH minus concentration ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ? 10 to the power minus 4. So if you apply pOH, that is equal to minus log of 10 to the power minus 4, that is equal to 4. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, pOH ಅನ್ನೋದು 4 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಂತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. Now pH is equal to 14 minus pOH. Correct? That is equal to what? 10. So ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. pOH ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 4 ಇದೆ. 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. ಈಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ರೈಟ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 82. Which among the following has the highest pH ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು m/4 KOH ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, m/4 NaOH ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, m/4 NH4OH, M/4 ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋಣಂತೆ ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ OH ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ M/4 ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದೇ OH ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಷ್ಟೇ, 1 OH ಮೈನಸ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, 1 OH ಮೈನಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, 1 OH ಮೈನಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ Ca2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ and 2 OH minus. So that should be answer is this one. Okay na? Right. So option D ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Next, a weak acid which has a Ka is equal to Ka of 1 into 10 to the power minus 5. If 0.100 mole of this acid dissolved in 1 liter of water, the percentage of acid dissociated at equilibrium is closest to ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ Ka is equal to 1.00 into 10 to the power of minus 5 ಅಂತ. That means concentration of C ನೋಡೋಣಂತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, 100 moles concentration C, correct? That is equal to 0.1 mole. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರೇನೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ರೈಟ್. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ alpha degree of dissociation that is given by square root of Ka divided by C, that is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 5 divided by 0.100 square root, that is equal to 10 to the power of minus 2 ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, equals to what? 1%. Am I right? So answer would be option A. Okay, na? Right. Question number 84. A monobasic weak acid solution has a molarity 0.05 and pH of 5. What is the percentage ionization of this solution ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. A monobasic acid ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ HA ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. That is going to giving rise to H plus and A minus. So ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು Ka equilibrium constant, how to calculate H plus into A minus divided by HA. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೆ H plus ion concentration that is equal to 10 to the power of minus pH. ಹೌದಾ? Yes. So ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ H plus ion concentration is equal to 10 to the power of minus 5. 10 to the power of minus 5. And at equilibrium pH 5 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. At equilibrium H plus ion concentration is equal to A minus ion concentration. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ Ka value ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡೋಣಂತೆ. Ka is equal to 10 to the power of minus 5 into 10 to the power of minus 5 whole divided by 0.0015. That is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Ka value. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ percentage of ionization is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, option 2%. Sorry, 2% ಅಲ್ಲ, 0.2%. Okay, 0.2% ಅಂದ್ರೆ divided by 100 ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, sorry into 100 ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So that's going to become what? 10 to the power minus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. minus 2, sorry minus, ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, 10 to the power plus 2 minus 3 minus 1, so it's going to be 0.2. Right? I hope you understood. That is equal to option B. Next, calculate the pH of a solution obtained by diluting 1 ml of 0.1 molar weak monobasic acid 100 ml at constant temperature. If Kb of the base is 1 into 10 to the power minus 5. So we know the equation m1 v1 is equal to m2 v2. Correct? So 1 ml of this much, andre 1 into 1 0.10, that is equal to m2 gottilla, right? That is m2 only into 100. ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, therefore m2 is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3. ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣಂತೆ monoacidic base ಅಂತ, that is going to be BOH, giving rise to B plus OH minus. Suppose ಇಲ್ಲಿ initial modes alpha ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ at equilibrium C minus C alpha is equal to C alpha and C alpha. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, C into 1 minus alpha. Correct? Therefore Ka is equal to C alpha into C alpha divided by C into 1 minus alpha. So ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, for Kb we are just putting Kb is equal to C into alpha square, that is nothing but ನಮಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇರುವಂತ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾನ ನಾನು ಬರೀ 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is equal to square root of Kb divided by C. Okay, Kb by C. Then ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ OH minus ion concentration ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ C alpha, that is equal to square root of Kb by C into C. That is nothing but square root of Kb into C. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣಂತೆ, ಬೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಪ್ಪ, pH ಕೇಳಿರೋದು. pH ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ square root of 10 to the power minus 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 total ಆಗಿ, that is equal to 10 to the power of minus ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 14, right? ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ pH plus pOH ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, that is equal to 14 ಅಂತೆ. Therefore pH is equal to 14 minus 4, that is equal to 10, right? So option C correct ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Yes. Next question number 86. The ionization constant of an acid Ka is the measure of strength of an acid. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ the Ka value of acetic acid, hypochlorous acid and formic acid are given. Which of the following orders of pH of 0.1 mole per dm cube solution of this acid is correct? ಯಾವ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಫಾರ್ಮಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್, ಅಸಿಟಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್, ಹೈಪೋಕ್ಲೋರಸ್ ಆಸಿಡ್. ಯಾವುದಂತೆ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ pH ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕಂತ, pH ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೋರ್ ಅಸಿಡಿಕ್. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ pH ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತಂತೆ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಸಿಟಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ, ಹೈಪೋಕ್ಲೋರಸ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತಂತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 87 ನೋಡೋಣಂತೆ. So 87 question number, the first and second dissociation constant of an acid H2A are 1 into 10 to the power minus 5 and 5 into 10 to the power minus 10 respectively. The overall dissociation constant of the acid will be, ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ H2A ಅಂತ, that is going to release 1 H plus ion, so it becomes HA minus. This is going to be called as what? K1. So that is, they are given K1, that is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 5, that is equal to H plus concentration into HA minus concentration divided by H2A, correct? Then the second dissociation, HA minus giving rise to H plus A minus 2. For this, K2 is given as H plus concentration into A2 minus concentration divided by HA concentration, HA minus. So we know that one. K is equal to complete reaction H plus whole square into A2 minus divided by H2A concentration. That is nothing but equal to what? K1 into K2. ಎರಡನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡೋಣಂತೆ. That is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 10. So it's going to become 5 into 10 to the power of minus 15. Correct? So option D will be the answer. Overall equilibrium dissociation constant. Next. Equimolar solution of HF as formic acid and HCl at 298 Kelvin have the same values of Ka as 6.8 into 10 to the power minus 4 and 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 9 respectively. What is the observed trend of dissociation constant in successive stages? Right? So let us see. Acidic strength, ಎಲ್ಲ acids ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ acidic strength that is equal to square root of Ka ante. ಹೌದಾ? Square root of Ka. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ರೈಟ್. Question number 89. Question number 89. At 25 degrees Celsius, the dissociation constant of a base BOH is 1 into 10 to the power minus 12. Full stop. The concentration of hydroxyl ions in 0.01 molar aqueous solution of the base would be ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ equation ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಈಗ ಗಿವನ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಗಿವನ್ Kb is equal to what? 1 into 10 to the power minus 12. So here this is going to be BOH, that is equal to 0.01 molar into, correct, into okay, right. So OH minus ion concentration ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಬೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋಣ. BOH giving rise to B plus plus OH minus. So Kb value is equal to C square into X square whole divided by C into 1 minus X. That is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 12. So 0.01 X square divided by 1 minus X. Okay, now? Right. So here ನೋಡೋಣಂತೆ alpha, okay, right, 89 ಅಲ್ವಾ. Kb is equal to C square into alpha square divided by 1 minus alpha, C into 1 minus alpha, that is given by 1 into 10 to the power minus 12. That is equal to 0.01 0.01 into alpha square divided by 1 minus alpha. Okay, right. ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕಂತೆ 1 into 10 to the power minus 5. So ಇದೇನಾಗಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ, OH minus ion concentration, OH minus ion concentration, that is equal to C into alpha, C into alpha, that is equal to 0.01 into 10 to the power of minus 5, that is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 7 mole per liter. Correct? Yes. So the answer would be 1 into 10 to the power of minus 7 mole per liter. Correct? Next. Question number 90. Which of the following pKa value represents the strongest acid? pKa value ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು more acidic ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಂತೆ. So question number 90, that's going to be option B, highest negative value. Next, question number 91 ಅಂತ. Question number 91. One second. The dissociation constant of two acids HA1 and HA2 are 3 into 10 to the power 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 4. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 1.96 into 10 to the power minus 5. The relative strength of these acid will be approximately. Relative strength. Right. ನೋಡೋಣ. So ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ alpha 1 by alpha 2 is equal to square root of K into A1 divided by K into A2. Correct? Right? Ka1 divided by Ka2 that is equal to 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 4 divided by 1.96 into 10 to the power of 5. ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ? That is equal to, I think this minus 5. Right? Total answer ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, 4:1 ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. So option B. Okay na? Right. So question number 92. Given HF plus H2O giving raised to H3O plus F minus. In the same way, F minus combines with H2O to form H3O plus and F minus. Which of the following reaction is correct? Okay. So ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. First equation 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೋಣ, equation 2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋಣ. Okay. Right. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ Ka that is equal to H3O plus into F minus whole divided by HF concentration. ಅದೇ ತರ Kb is equal to HF into OH minus divided by F minus. So ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂತ from equation 1, okay, ಇದನ್ನ AB ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. Equation 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, Ka into Kb is equal to H3O plus, correct, into OH minus, that is nothing but Kw. Kw ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತೆ, ionic product of water. So option A ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, Kb is equal to Kw. ಸರಿನಾ? one second. Option A ಅಲ್ಲ, option A ಅಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಹೇಳಿ, option C ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, Ka into Kb that is equal to Kw. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ expression. Am I right? Next one. So question number 93. At 298 Kelvin, 0.1 molar acetic acid solution is 1.34% ionized. The ionization constant Ka for acetic acid will be ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಯನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೀಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು K is equal to C into alpha square, that is equal to C ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಂತೆ concentration, that is 0.1 into alpha square ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ 1.34 divided by 100 whole square, that is equal to 1.8 into 10 to the power of minus 5. ಹೌದಾ? ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5 ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಫಾರ್ ಡೈಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಈಸ್, ಡೈಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಪಾಲಿಪ್ರೋಟಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್, okay, loss of second proton occurs much less readily than the first. Usually Ka values for successive loss of proton from these acids differ by at least a factor of 10 to the power minus 3. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ Ka1 that is greater than Ka2 ಆಯ್ತು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಬರೋಣ ಇವಾಗ. Ka1 is equal to Ka2. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. H2x giving rise to H plus Hx minus Hx. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? Now let us take this one as Ka1, and in the same way Hx minus giving rise to H plus x to the power minus 2. So this is called as what? Ka2. Okay, so ಈಗ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, Ka1 is greater than Ka2. Okay, right, option B ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Next one, for polybasic acid the dissociation constant have different values for each step. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 1 2 3 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಈಕ್ವಿಲಿಬ್ರಿಯಂ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿ. ಸೊ next one ಏನಂತೆ, for a polybasic acid equilibrium constant they have given. What is the observed trend of dissociation constants in successive stages? ನೋಡಿ, the value of dissociation constant for successive stages decreases. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಂತೆ? So that's going to be option A only. ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 96 ಅಂತೆ. The correct relationship between Ka1 and Ka and Ka3 is. Okay, right. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣಂತೆ. ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Ka3 is equal to Ka1 into Ka2. Correct, option A. 96 option A ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? Right. So the next question, cationic hydrolysis gives the following solution. Cationic hydrolysis ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಅದು ಏನಂತೆ ಅದು? We are taking right. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ತಗೋಣ NH4Cl plus H2O giving rise to NH4OH plus HCl. NH4OH plus HCl. in ionic equation ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಸೊ HCl ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬಂದಿರೋ HCl ಏನಾಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? H plus and Cl minus. So it should be what? Acidic. Okay, right. In qualitative analysis, in group 13, NH4Cl is added before NH4OH. Correct? The qualitative analysis of third group NH4Cl is added before NH4OH because to increase the concentration of NH4 plus ions, to increase the concentration of Cl minus ions, to reduce the concentration of OH minus ion, to increase the concentration of OH minus. So, nodi, question number 98. In qualitative analysis, group 3, group 4, group NH4Cl is added before NH4OH because yakirbod. Yes. Now, so the answer would be option C agutte nodi. The reduce in concentration of OH minus. No. Next, the solubility of AgI and NaI solution is less than that in pure water because ಯಾಕಿರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ? ಯಾಕಿರಬಹುದು ನೋಡಿ. Solubility of weak electrolyte decreases in solvent having common ion. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಾಮನ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So it will be due to what? Common ion effect. Under the suppression of dissociation of weak electrolyte is due to the presence of a ion which is having common species with that of the reagent. Okay, right. So option C is the right answer. When sodium acetate is added to an aqueous solution of acetic acid, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Sodium acetate water ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ that is going to become sodium ion and acetate ion will be there. Correct? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅಸಿಟಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಮಿಕ್ಸರ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು ಅಂತ. pH of the solution decreases, pH of the solution increases, the pH of the solution remains unchanged. An acid salt is produced. ಸುಮಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, that is not necessary for us. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ, when sodium acetate is added to an aqueous solution of acetic acid, first of all the pH of the solution is going to be what? Increases. Okay, next, question number 101 ಏನಂತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Which of the following statements about pH and H plus ion concentration is incorrect? ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಬರೋಣಂತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡಿ. Addition of 1 drop of concentrated HCl in NH4Cl solution decreases the pH of the solution. Next, a solution of mixture of one equivalent of each of acetic acid and NaOH has a pH of 7. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರೋದೇನಂತೆ? Incorrect statement. Next one. pH of the pure neutral water is not 0. Okay, then a cold and concentrated sulfuric acid has lower H plus ion concentration than a dilute solution of sulfuric acid. Right? So that is going to be giving rise to B. Next, question number 102. H2S gas when passed through a solution of cations containing HCl precipitates the cation of exchange group of qualitative analysis but not those belonging to the fourth group. ಯಾಕಿರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ. 102. Yeah. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. because presence of HCl decreases the sulfide ion concentration. Solubility product of group 2 sulfides is more than that of group 4. Sulfides of group 4, okay, group 4 cations are unstable in HCl, right? Next, ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. The fourth group needs higher oxidation state. Okay, ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? That's going to be option A only. Right? Okay, once again. 102. 102. So presence of HCl decreases the sulfide ion concentration, okay, due to common ion effect. Right. Next, question number 103. A salt X is dissolved in water of pH is equal to 7. The salt is made resulting solution becomes alkaline in nature. The salt may be. Right. Next. So the answer will be a weak acid and a strong base. Option D. Right. So next one. Aqueous solution of ferric chloride is acidic due to because it is undergoing what? Hydrolysis. So the answer would be hydrolysis. Next, the pK of weak acid HA, the pKb of weak base BOH, that is 4.78. The pH of aqueous solution of the corresponding salt BA will be. Okay, na? Right. The pK of weak acid they have given. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ Ka ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ HA ಅನ್ನೋ ಆಸಿಡ್ ತಗೋಣ. ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ಬಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಎ ಅಂತಾನೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಂತ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ರೈಟ್. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬಿ ಎ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಅಯನೈಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ H2O giving rise to BOH plus HU. Right? Now, ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು they have given the pH is equal to ಏನಂತೆ? 1/2 into P KW plus half into P Ka minus half into P Kb. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ನ ಓಕೆ, ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ನ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ pH is equal to 1/2 into 0.4 minus 4.80. So that's going to be becoming 1.4 pH is equal to half into 14 plus 4.80 minus right 4.87. Right. So answer will be 7.01 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. So option C. Okay. Right. So next question number 106. ನೋಡೋಣ ಈಗ. The pKa of a weak acid HA is 4.5. correct? The pOH of an aqueous buffer solution of HA in which 50% of the acid is ionized is ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿರೋದು pOH ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, for acidic buffer there are certain formulas are there. For acidic buffer, correct, pH is given as pH is equal to pKa plus log of salt concentration by acid concentration. So pH is equal to pKa plus log of A minus concentration by HA. So our given pKa is equal to 4.5 and acid is 50% ionized. ಅದೇ ತರ therefore HA is equal to A minus ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಯಾವಾಗ 50% ionized ಆದಾಗ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಾವು. pH is equal to pKa plus log 1. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಂತೆ, pH is equal to pKa that is equal to 4.5. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿ pOH that is equal to 14 minus 4.5 is equal to 9.5. Correct? So option D ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So the answer will be 9.5. Next over, a buffer solution is prepared in which the concentration of NH3 is 0.3 molar and the concentration of NH4 plus is 0.2 molar. If the equilibrium constant Kb for NH3 equals 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5, what is the pH of this solution? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ of 2.7, that is equal to 0.433. Okay, so the answer will be, ನೋಡುವ, ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ NH3 concentration that is equal to 0.3 molar ಅಂತ, NH4 plus concentration ಇದೆ that is equal to 0.2 molar. ಅದೇ ತರ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಪ್ಪ, Kb ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Kb is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 1. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ pOH is equal to pKb plus log of salt divided by base that is equal to ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. pKb value minus log of 1.8 into 10 to the power of minus 5. So that is equal to 5 minus something. So it's going to be what? 4.74. ಯಾವುದು pOH ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತು. pKb that is equal to ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕಂತ, pKb is equal to ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮ್ ಆಫ್ kb. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ pKb is equal to what? 4.74. ಈಗ ಅದೇ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂತ ಬರೋಣಂತೆ. pOH is equal to ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, pKb ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 4.74 in that's the plus log 0.2 divided by 0.3 that is equal to 4.74 plus 0.3010 minus 0.4771 that is equal to 456. Sorry, 4.56. ಈಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ pOH ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು, pH ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತ. pH should be equal to 14 minus 4.56 that is equal to 9.436. pH ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ 9.43 ಇದೆ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ರೈಟ್. Next, when H plus ion in mole per liter of a solution has that is 0.2 molar in sodium acetate and 0.1 molar in acetic acid. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ Ka ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ for acetic acid 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5. ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಈಗ ನಮಗೊಂದು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ pH is equal to ಹೌದಾ pH is equal to pKa plus log of salt divided by acid. So that is equal to pH ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತೆ minus log of H plus ion concentration into log Ka minus log of salt by acid. ಅಲ್ಲಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ salt by acid. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ OH minus ion concentration ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ OH minus okay wait CH3CONA CH3COH okay wrong 1 second minus log of H plus ion concentration that is equal to ನೋಡಿ H plus ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಂಟಿ ಲಾಗ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಆಯ್ತು that is equal to Ka into acid divided by salt that is equal to 1.8 into 10 to the power of minus 5 into 0.1 by 0.2 that is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of minus 6 molar 9 into 10 to the power minus 6 so option D I hope so ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ which of the following pairs constitute a buffer ಯಾವುದಿರಬಹುದು NaOH and NaCl HCl and KCl HNO3 and NH4NO3 which of the following pairs constitute buffer ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ strong acid and its salt with weak base ಅಥವಾ weak acid and its salt with strong base so ನೋಡುವ question number 109 option D ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡು HNO3 ಅನ್ನೋದು weak base this is going to be strong right and a weak base ಇದು strong electrolyte ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ because it completely ionizes so ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಬಫರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ right we have done that option D next question number 110 right buffer solution have constant acidity and alkalinity because ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ this gives unionized acid or base on reaction with the added acid or alkali exactly correct one so option ಏನೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ತಲೆನೇ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ right next the buffering action of an acidic buffer is maximum when its pH is equal to already ಹೇಳಿದೀವಿ correct ಯಾವಾಗಂತೆ when the concentration of salt that is equal to acid ಅಥವಾ when pH is equal to pKa when pH is equal to pKa again the buffering action will be more next when a buffer solution sodium acetate and acetic acid is diluted with water ಏನಾಯ್ತು correct so option ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಂತೆ when a buffer solution sodium acetate and acetic acid is diluted with water D na pH 1 second ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ Option D, H plus ion concentration remains unaltered. Next, the product of ionic concentration in a saturated solution of an electrolyte at a given temperature is constant and is known as ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? It's nothing but solubility product. Okay, na? Right. So ನೋಡಿ, the KSP for CrOH thrice is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 30. The solubility of this compound in water is ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಈಗ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ರೈಟ್. ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ಯುಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? ಕ್ರೋಮಿಯಂ ಟ್ರೈಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್, CrOH thrice, giving rise to Cr plus 3 plus 3 OH minus. This is going to be called as what? Aqueous. And 3 OH minus also there is also aqueous. Suppose ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದು S ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದೇ S ಇರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಇದು 3S ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ KSP is given as what? Product concentration by reactant concentration, that is equal to 2S whole cube no. Solubility ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾಗಿದೆ. So we have to prove that one. Therefore that is equal to solubility is equal to ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಂತೆ? CrOH thrice ಇತ್ತು, Cr plus 3 and 3 OH minus ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. So what will be the answer we are asking? So ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು KSP is right equal to S into 3S cube, that is nothing but 200 and so 4S given 25 once. So ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, this is going to be 27 S to the power of 4 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ KSP ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೌದಾ? 27 into S to the power of 4. ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಏನಂತೆ? Solubility is equal to KSP to the power of 1/4 whole divided by 27. So the answer will be solubility is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 10 minus 30 ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, minus 30 to the power of 1/4. ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಅಂತ? That's option B. Solubility 27 whole to the power of 4 ನಾಲ್ಕು. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ, KSP ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, CrOH thrice ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, solubility of this compound in water. Right? Next move ಆಗೋಣಂತೆ. Question number 115. At 25 degrees Celsius, the solubility product of magnesium hydroxide is 1 into 10 to the power minus 10. At which pH will Mg plus 2 ions start precipitating in the form of MgOH twice from the solution of 0.001 molar Mg plus 2 ions ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ. ಸೊ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳಿದಾರಂತೆ MgOH twice ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? MgOH twice, that is going to giving rise to Mg2 plus 2 OH minus. Now ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ರೈಟ್? KSP is equal to Mg2 plus ಇಂಟು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ Mg2+ ಇಂಟು OH minus whole square divided by MgOH twice. So they are asking you to calculate OH minus ion concentration is equal to 10 to the power of minus 11 divided by 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, then OH minus ion concentration square bracket should be added, that is equal to square root of 10 to the power minus 11. One second. 10 to the power minus 11 ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ರೈಟ್. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 10 to the power of minus 8 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 10 to the power minus 4 ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. OH minus ion concentration is equal to that one. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ POH is equal to 4 ಅಂತ. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ PH plus POH is equal to what? 14. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ PH is equal to what? 10. Next, question number 115. Okay. ಆಯ್ತು. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 116 ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 116 ನೋಡೋಣಂತೆ. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ 116? pH of a saturated solution of barium hydroxide is 12. The value of solubility product of barium hydroxide is ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳಿರೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ according to the data they have given, pH they have given that is 12. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ H plus ion concentration ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? That is nothing but right 10 to the power minus 12. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ H plus into OH minus ion concentration that is equal to 10 to the power minus 14. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ OH minus ion concentration is equal to 10 to the power minus 2 ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣಂತೆ equation barium hydroxide ionizes to give barium ion plus 2OH minus ಅಂತ ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ರೈಟ್. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಎಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು 2s ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಂತ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ರೈಟ್. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ OH minus ion concentration ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ that is equal to 10 to the power minus 2. that is OH minus ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ 2s ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. 2s is equal to 10 to the power minus 2 ಅಂತ. ರೈಟ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ s is equal to 10 to the power minus 2 divided by 2. ಸೊ KSP ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ 4s ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. that is nothing but 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by 2 whole cube. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? 5 into 10 to the power minus 7 ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. 5 into 10 to the power minus 7. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 117. If S and capital S are respectively solubility and solubility product of a sparingly soluble binary electrolyte, then ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? So that's going to be equal to ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಬೈನರಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಲೈಟ್ AB ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋಣ, ಸರಿನಾ? That is going to ionizes to give A plus and B minus. Suppose ಇದರ solubility AS ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರೋಣ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ KSP value that's going to become A plus into B minus concentrations. So that's going to be equal to what? S into S. ನೋಡಿ, small s, capital S is equal to small s into small s. Therefore S is equal to S square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ small s is equal to capital S to the power 1/2 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೌ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 118. Why only As plus 3 get precipitated as As2 S3 and not Zn plus 2 as Zns when H2S is passed through an acidic solution containing As plus 3 and Zn plus 2. ಯಾಕಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ solubility product of As2 S3 is less than that of Zns. Enough As plus 3 are present in acidic medium. Zinc salt does not ionize in acidic medium. Solubility product changes in the presence of an acid. Sarina? No. Actually, the answer is A. ನೋಡೋಣ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ. ನೋಡಿ, KSP of As2S3 is less than of ZNS. In acidic medium ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ionization of H2S is suppressed. ಯಾಕಂತೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ion effect and KSP of ZNS does not exceed it. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ is the answer. Next question number 119. Solid barium nitrate is gradually dissolved in 1 into 10 to the power minus 4 molar Na2CO3 solution. At which concentration of barium ion precipitate of barium carbonate begins to form? KSP for barium carbonate they are given. Correct? ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋಣಂತೆ. This is going to be Na2CO3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣಂತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ Na2CO3 concentration they are given, correct? That is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 4 molar. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ CO3 2 minus concentration ನಾನು ತಗೋಬಹುದು 1 into 10 to the power minus 4 molar. In the same way, capital S solubility product also is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 4 molar. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ at equilibrium ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡು, ಬೇರಿಯಂ plus 2 concentration into CO3 2 minus concentration is equal to KSP of what? Barium carbonate. ಅದೇ ನಿನಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇರಿಯಂ ಅಯಾನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದಾದ್ರೆ that is equal to KSP divided by CO3 minus 2 concentration. That is nothing but 5.1 into 10 to the power of minus 9 divided by carbonate concentration ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ, that is nothing but 1 into 10 to the power minus 4. The answer will be 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 molar. 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 molar. So option A, I think. Correct? 5.1 actually. 5.1 into 10 to the power of minus 5 molar. Next. Question number 120. Solubility product of silver bromide is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 13. The quantity of potassium bromide to be added to 1 liter of 0.05 molar solution of silver nitrate to start the precipitation of AgBr is. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ AgBr ಅನ್ನೋದು of course it's a sparingly soluble electrolyte ಅಂತ, correct? AgBr ionizes to give what? Ag plus and Br minus. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು KSP ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, Ag plus concentration into Br minus concentration. For precipitation to occur, precipitation ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ionic product must be greater than solubility product. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ನೋಡು, ಅಯಾನಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ KSP ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅಯಾನಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, ಸಾರಿ ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣಂತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ Br minus concentration that must be is equal to KSP divided by Ag plus concentration, that is 5 into 10 to the power minus 13 whole divided by 0.05, that is nothing but 10 to the power minus 11. ಈಗ precipitation just start when 10 to the power minus 11 moles of potassium bromide is added. Okay, ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ? to 1 liter AgNO3 solution. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಂತೆ number of moles of Br minus needed, Br minus needed, that is equal to, ಯಾಕೆ right, that is equal to 10 to the power minus 11. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ mass of KBr that is equal to 10 to the power of minus 11 into 120 that is equal to 1.2 into 10 to the power of minus 9 gram. ಅಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ. Right. The question number 121. At 25 degrees Celsius, solubility product of MgOH twice is 1 into 10 to the power minus 11. At which pH will Mg2 plus ion starts precipitating in the form of MgOH twice from a solution of 0.001 molar Mg plus 2 ions? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಟೈಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ಯುಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, MgOH ಟ್ವೈಸ್ ಇದೆಯಂತೆ, ಅಯನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, Mg2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 OH ಮೈನಸ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ KSP ಸಾಲ್ಯುಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, Mg2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು OH ಮೈನಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 2. ನೋಡ್ಕೊ KSP ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. So that's going to be equal to the solubility product of magnesium. Of course, 1 into 10 to the power minus 11 is equal to magnesium is also 10 to the power minus 3. Right? 10 to the power minus 3 into OH minus to the power of 2. Ignore OH minus ion concentration is going to become square root of 10 to the power minus 11 divided by 10 to the power minus 3, that is equal to 10 to the power minus 4. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ P OH minus is equal to OH minus ಬೇಡ 4 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ pH is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಬೇಕು 10. ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, 14 minus POH ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that is equal to pH. Right? So option B will be the answer. Next. Right? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎರಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸರಿನಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳು? ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದಿಷ್ಟಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಈಕ್ವಿಲಿಬ್ರಿಯಂ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದಿನ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಈ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ MCQ ಗಳನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ, ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್.